I'm not trying to push the resin off. I'm trying to mend everything, so when I get to the end, I grab all that. We wanted that copper to be predominant. Lessen that red right there just a little bit. We just wanted those streaks to come in and show themselves and then kind of go back out. So far, so good. I'm digging that. What do you think?
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Now we're gonna get those effects to stay in there. There we go. Look at that guy. What do you think?
Yeah, I love it when that spritz hits it.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks really good. I think we want to get these out. Lessen them some. What do you think?
I think I like it. Makes it stand out.
Yeah. It's gonna go with her floor, everything. All right, y'all, we're digging it. We like it. We're gonna cut it off for a few, let everything kind of set up, do its thing. We'll bring y'all right back. Won't miss a thing. All right, y'all, now we're gonna get the surface bubbles right off the top. The isopropyl's done working, and and this sucker's banging. Here we go. Once you get down here, turn around, go back. Look at that, Tom. Boy, it's nice. All right, you guys. We're gonna let this set up for a few. We love it. And we'll go ahead and bring y'all right back in here in just a minute and sew this one up. All right, you guys. We're right here at the finish now. Look at that guy. Boy, it's wicked how that turned out, huh, Tom?
Oh, yeah.
And we got our edges to come together. So we're happy with it. It's gonna look really good in our shower. What do you think, brother? You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, big shout out to Billy. He couldn't be here today, but we just wanted to let Billy know we're definitely thinking about him. Everything's all good on our end. So we love you, Billy. And until the next one, you all will be doing both of their countertops. One of them is over 12 feet. The other one is like a makeup vanity. So we'll be doing those here real soon as well. So until the next one, have a great rest of your weekend. See you back real soon.